How to set up fingerprint unlock on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on security and privacy. So after click on security and privacy, click on lock screen and enter your phone pin. So if you want to set up fingerprint, so click on fingerprint and click on continue and click on register. So after click on register, you will see. You will see. After the process, click on done. You will see go back to home screen and turn off. You will see phone is open fingerprint. So that's how you can set up fingerprint unlock on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.